UZ image further battered as lecturers stand firm against bullying. By Zim News Live YTS, the University of Zimbabwe's UZ image and reputation have taken yet another blow after the Association of University Teachers, AUT, dragged the country's oldest and most prestigious higher learning institution to court over allegations of academic fraud, corruption, and multiple procedural irregularities. AUT is seeking an urgent interdict to stop the controversial graduation ceremony scheduled for Friday, the 15th of August, citing compromised academic processes and the hiring of unqualified part-time lecturers to replace striking staff. UZ lecturers have been on strike since the 16th of April, demanding a salary of $250 per month in line with regional benchmarks. They currently earn around $230 a month, an amount they say is too little to sustain even a student for a month. The prolonged industrial action has paralyzed lectures, supervision, and examinations. AUT, represented by Dr. Philemon Chamburuka and GD Law Chambers, argues that degrees set to be awarded on Friday are tainted by breaches of academic standards and university regulations. Call for forensic audit. The urgent application, filed on the 9th of August, names UZ Vice-Chancellor Professor Paul Mapfuma, Chancellor-President Emerson Mnangagwa, Higher Education Minister Aman Marwira, the UZ Students' Union, and various professional councils as respondents. AUT wants a 14-day forensic audit of the university's academic processes, including staff appointments, teaching quality, examination moderation, and dissertation supervision. The procedural irregularities and breaches of academic standards outlined above threat the credibility of the degrees to be conferred. The application reads, allowing the graduation to proceed would cause irreparable harm to the institution's academic integrity. Integrity on the line. The union insists the court must step in to uphold the University of Zimbabwe Act and prevent long-term damage to the nation's education system. The integrity of the education system is paramount, AUT stated, warning that compromised processes would erode confidence in Zimbabwe's highest seat of learning. The High Court is expected to rule on the matter before Friday's scheduled ceremony. Like, share, and subscribe to Zim News Live YTS for updates on this developing story.